Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync your Govee lights to your TV. So the setup that I'm currently running is a floor lamp over here, a floor lamp over there, and a Govee TV backlight 3. So if you're interested in learning how to sync your lights to your TV, this video is for you. So the first thing that you have to do is actually have all your devices connected to your Govee app. And so it's called Govee Home, so make sure you have that installed. Afterwards, you want to click on the app, and on the upper right hand side, you want to click on the plus sign and make sure that all your devices are added onto here. So as you can see, I have the floor lamp basic 2, floor lamp basic 1, and then in the TV backlight. So now once all your apps or your Govee lights are connected to your Govee Home app, what I do is I click on the TV backlight, and then I actually click on movie watching dream view. So now movie watching dream view is a way to actually sync all your lights together. And so I click on manage device and I tick box all the devices or the light strips that I want added or selected as far as a movie dream view goes. So movie dream view is basically Govee's setting where all your lights are going to sync and go together with what's corresponding colors on the screen. So as you can see here, once I actually toggle on dream view, the lights are going to start responding one at a time. So right now we have the backlight responding to my sound and the TV light. And as you can see, if I scroll down, you'll see that the floor lamps are still connecting. So it's going to take just a couple seconds. So now we have that right floor lamp connected, and then we have that back left floor lamp connected. So there's multiple ways you can actually have that match your TV. Right now, you see the sound effects toggled on. If I turn this off, the light's just going to stay on now. And now the colors match all together. Now, if I press all, as you can see, there's a part and then there's an all. All means that all the floor lamps on your devices, all your light strips, your backlight, your floor lamps, etc., are all going to stay one color. So I like playing around with it sometimes. Sometimes I like using part. Sometimes I like using all. You can see the difference again. So that's part. And that's all. So I have my backlights and floor lamps synced up so that the right hand side of the screen matches the right floor lamp and the left hand side of the screen matches the left floor lamp. In order to actually adjust this, all you have to do is click on area setting. And as you can see, wherever your lamp is, so my floor lamp basic is the left hand side, my floor lamp basic 2 is the right hand side, you could actually adjust the colors by giving them the numbers and corresponding to with what you see here on the screen. So this is a really neat way to actually set up your Govee lights, and it just leads to a really nice visualizing experience. And so if you're interested in a setup like this is 2 floor lamps plus 1 backlight. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can grab these for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.